You cannot trust medical advice from medical professionals. That doesn't mean that you don't have a great doctor that you should listen to, but you need to take control over your own health care and you need to question everything.
Right, Dr. Mike has already called this one out, but I have a few things to say as well. Time's cool. So Bobby is saying you cannot trust medical advice from medical professionals. Okay, by this logic, you cannot trust your electrician, you should grab the live wires and figure it out yourself. You cannot trust your mechanic, just put beef tallow into the engine and manifest reliability. Don't trust your dentist, guys, just watch a TikTok and pull out your own molars with a pair of pliers. You cannot trust your surgeon, but I hear YouTube has a tutorial for that procedure, bro. Medical professionals are literally the people trained to give medical advice. That's what the term medical in medical professional means. It's not a decorative title we picked up in a cereal box. This is classic conspiracy speech. Undermine trust in an entire field. Then quietly make an exception for the handful of professionals that happen to agree with you, like Dr. Oz, for example. Medicine isn't perfect. Doctors aren't perfect. The human body is super complicated. Even after 11 years in medicine and multiple degrees, I'm still learning more about human health every day. And patients should be reading about their own health, of course. But the way forward isn't to distrust every healthcare professional with credentials. It's to understand evidence hierarchies, challenge poor data that he so commonly cites and misrepresents. And perhaps most importantly, to value transparency. Every intervention in healthcare has its pros and cons. But sowing blanket distrust in doctors just hands the microphone to the least qualified voices shouting from the sidelines. So no, Bobby, you don't get to say don't trust doctors and then also recommend trusting some doctors but only the ones that agree with your views. Class dismissed.